A tree in which the bark latex is used as a dressing over wounds. What tree is it? Introducing Tanisang Bayawak, Ficus variegata, variety variegata of the family Moraceae. The genus name Ficus was derived from the Latin word ficus, meaning fig. Since ancient times, this term has referred to various fig species. The species name variegata comes from the Latin variegatus, meaning varied or marked with different colors. This reflects the plant's distinctive leaf patterns, often featuring green and cream or yellow. Tangisang Bayawak is a large tree attaining a height of 30 meters and a diameter of 100 centimeters. Balls are cylindrical, straight, long, and in some individuals, short. Legend has it that a monitor lizard or bayawak once tried but failed to climb this tree due to its smooth bark, causing the lizard to cry, hence the name Tangisang Bayawak. This tree is a large, fast-growing evergreen tree from the fig family. It has a yellowish brown or pale pink to reddish brown outer bark and is commonly found in forests near streams, gullies, and along river banks. Its wood is a light, temporary construction material, ideal for moldings, interior works, drawers, fruit crates, knife sheaths, and fuel wood. Fresh leaves are applied as a topical treatment for boils. The bark latex is used as a dressing over wounds. The fruits of the Tangisang Bayawak are edible and can be eaten as a vegetable. This tree is planted in urban parks as an exhibit specimen and conservation piece when laden with figs. This is marks caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.